Hi guys, my name is Dr. Gurmeet Kaur and I'm have to tell you about Dr. Bhavdeev's IT and Finance course. The course is absolutely a must for a dental professional because you learn step-by-step procedures how to file your own taxes, what kind of mistakes you do, what kind of mistakes your CA does. So you learn a lot about finance, about managing your finance, how to file your returns, and also how important it is to file your returns timely basis, how important it is to show your income. A lot of factors which we were not aware of as dental practitioners. We are always busy in our clinic and all our clinical aspects, but these things are so important to learn because they help you manage your finances properly. And sir gives a lot of homeworks, I must tell you all, and they can be overwhelming, but guys, these homeworks are the only way you learn, and you learn to the perfection. He makes sure that each and every participant learns, no matter how slow you are or how fast you are. He gives time and he puts enough efforts for each and everyone. So I definitely recommend you to do his course, and I'm sure you will benefit a lot. Guys, the amount of money he charges for the course is absolutely nothing in front of the knowledge he gives. So it's a must course. You should definitely do it. I've done his course and I've had so much benefits. I'm able to learn so much about finance, so much about filing my returns. Even though I don't file my returns still, but I can argue with my CA. I can tell him what mistakes he's doing. So yeah, and he explains you to the extent that you can actually file your returns. So yeah, guys, definitely it's a must course to do. Thank you so much.